This is a video series about HTML. My aim is to familiarize a complete beginner with this very fundamental language of web development. Basically, each and every web page out there is built on HTML. Now, before we begin, I want to introduce you to Visual Studio Code, the code editor that I'll be using to run all my demos during this video series. Now, there are other code editors, but what makes this so special is that we can extend its functionality by installing an extension or a plugin, you could say. With this plugin, we'll be able to see the changes we make to our web page in real time on a separate browser window, and this is very handy indeed. There are a lot of good videos about how to install Visual Studio Code and how to install the extensions, but I'll give you the short and sweet version right here, right now. So, download Visual Studio Code from the official pages. It's free. Install it on your computer, and this is what you'll see. This Get Started window here. Now, let's go to extensions over here to our left. And let's write live server into the search box. Now we get a lot of results, and you can open up this from here a little bit to see better. Now there are a few live servers here, but the one I use is this one, 5 server. And you can install it by pressing the button here. As you can see, I've already installed it. But press here, it'll install itself. It only takes a few moments. And after it's finished, restart Visual Studio Code. Now all we need is a folder where we can put all our project files. So let's go up here to File and Open Folder. And let's choose the location for this folder. I'm going to go with Desktop. I'm going to create a new folder called HTML, and I'm going to select it. Now, as you can see, Visual Studio Code has opened the folder. It's here, but of course it's completely empty. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new file called index.html. And as you can see, it opens up here onto this tab. Okay, that's it. We're finished. We'll be taking a proper look at the live server and how it functions in a later video when we actually start writing the code. But let's move on.